welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. Today we're in Costa Rica and we're at this beautiful farm here, and they grow all the vegetable and the herbs, and everything is organic. Everything is made by hand as well. They don't use any machinery, of course no pesticide and all those things, because everything is healthy and organic here. And we're about to have a delicious meal sitting outside here at this beautiful farm. So we'll share with you what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So we're at La Senda, and this is this organic farm here in Costa Rica, and we have this beautiful table set up here for a nice outdoor dinner, and everything is grown here, fresh, organic. And we had our entree already, and so it was like a little shaved papaya salad. And what I like so much, there was this hibiscus flower, but it was pickled hibiscus flower. This is so delicious and beautiful. And now that's the main meal. We're gonna have this chicken breast, and it's got some brown rice with it, and some nice herbs from this garden here on top of the chicken. So it's all healthy and organic and delicious. So bon appetit, we're gonna try this beautiful chicken. I'm with Chef Hugo.
Hello.
And we just finished a delicious meal, and everything here is all made here and organic, but I better let Hugo explain. This is a very special place here. Tell us about this.
Yes, of course. First of all, thank you for coming. You know, it's a pleasure to cook for you. And when we started this project, it was a dream. No, because it's been 2 years that we've been trying and experimenting for this to happen, no? With different seeds, with different crops, and now we have seen all this development of everything, not just on the plants, but also on the dinners, no? Because on the very first beginning, we start only with 5 persons with the farm to table dinners, no? And little by little, start to work and more. Like from 20 to 30 to 52, no? So then we decided to make a new place for dinners, because we first start to make it in this place, as you can see it at the house, no?
Yeah.
But then it was too much. So we're like, we need another space.
Yeah.
No? So we decided to make that space, and we see the same blossom in the garden as the same blossom as in the dinners, no? And I think there is a reason. It's because the first day that Grit, one of the owners of Cala Luna, gathered us here the first day and told us, I'm going to build an organic garden for all my customers. All of us put an intention, no? But really from the heart, no? And now it's blossoming, and for me as a cook, it's amazing that you just open the gate. It takes you like 1 minute, no? Or less, no?
Yeah.
And you have everything to just
All
go
the
to harvest.
everything.
Yeah.
It's
And
amazing.
you know, as a cook, all your brain is like, oh my god, I can make this and
Yeah.
that. Wow, this is
Yeah.
amazing, I cannot believe it, no? But it's also a challenge, because as I said, every day, or well, every 2 days at the dinners, I never have a plan, no? Because sometimes there are the rabbits or the armadillos or maybe a plague, no? That change the crops.
Yeah.
So that's why every day I came with no plan and I create. And that's, I think, what most people love, just to be surprised.
Yeah.
When people ask me at the hotel, what's going to be in the menu for tonight? I'm like, I don't know. And they get surprised. They're like, how could you not know?
Yeah.
They're like, well, I don't know.
Depends what I have.
Yeah. But some people are like, I cannot believe that you don't know. Because some people are like stubborn, like, I want to know what I'm going to have.
Okay.
You're like, if you want a real experience, come with your mind
Open.
open. Exactly. Yeah, and that's what we do here. Come with your mind open and be surprised.
And you grow everything. Everything is organic, and I hear that you don't also use machinery. It's all
all by hand.
by hand.
Everything is by hand, and also we have the whole spiral, you know, because all the waste from the Hotel Calaluna, we use it here for compost, for the pesticides, to feed all the soil, you know. So we have no waste at all, and that's what we want to share with all the people that come here. That we're reducing our fiber print, so we're reducing it at all, because we have no waste at all, you know. And that for me it's amazing because somehow I'm helping the world.
Exactly. And we can see that you love what you do.
Yeah.
Because you're an amazing host and you showed us everything, and the food was so delicious. What did we have today? There was a papaya.
It was a papaya, a pickled papaya.
Yes.
That,
the hibiscus flower.
It was the hibiscus flower and a mix of raw cacao, sunflower seeds that we harvest here that we got before. Sesame seeds and a vinaigrette of hibiscus and some various mesclun of leaves, no? And then we have the free-range organic chicken breast because we have this philosophy in Calaluna to help all these little farmers, you know, because we want to. It's silly that we need to get back to the old days to help all these little guys, no, like and the butchers, so you the farmers. Exactly. Because nowadays there's a bring.
Yeah.
You know, I remember the old days when I was a child. There was a butchery in my corner, and there was no Walmart.
No.
Yeah. Between different farms, with different friends.
Yeah.
No, like for example, we have a lot of leaves, but maybe our friends have a lot of pineapples, so we change. No? So that was so for the main course, it was the organic chicken breast filled with the mustard leaf, with a sauce or a cream of fennel.
Fennel, yes, I tasted that. So beautiful.
Fennel and a Moroccan lemon. When it's the time of the lemon, we have it there, and we do it in a Moroccan way that we cut it in four. We put salt, cloves, bay leaves. We put it in a jar, press it. Then lime juice, and close it. And we preserve it for months. The one you tasted, it was 1 year.
1 year, whoa, no wonder.
So that was very special, And the rice was just scented with lemongrass from the garden. And the dessert, for me, I know it's very simple, but you know, for me, the simple is more.
Yes, you know? It was very delicious, fresh, and you know we had mango and passion fruit, and I tasted both. It was like a...
And you have the cashew fruit.
Oh yeah!
Candies.
I discovered the cashew. This is pretty amazing.
That was amazing.
And that was delicious.
You have different taste, no?
Yeah.
Because some people don't even know how the cashew.
Oh no, I didn't know. You just told me that.
When it's like, is it really that big? Yeah. And it's just sit like that.
Yeah.
And you're like, wow. Yeah. And when you taste the fruit, it's a different flavor.
Yeah.
So we had that as a dessert, and but for me it's very special because it's vegan. People ask me like, how you do it? Yeah. I just emulsion it with olive oil. That's it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So delicious.
So for me, cooking here is the most joyful thing in life.
Yeah.
Because it's very easy, and I enjoy it. And I never stress about it.
We can see that you enjoy it, and that's why it's so delicious as well.
Thank you.
So thank you.
I really appreciate
it. Thank you so much.
So glad you come.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ciao. Thank you.